Drink this juice every day for 15 days. Do you want to look younger, fresher, and full of life, just like you're 18 again? Today, I'll show you one magic juice recipe that, if you drink it daily for just 15 days, people won't believe your age. Ready to glow from the inside out? Let's get started. You'll need just 5 natural ingredients to make this anti-aging juice. 1. Carrot. 2 medium-sized carrots are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A. They protect your skin from sun damage and give you a healthy glow. 2. Beetroot, once small, beets purify your blood and improve blood flow, giving your skin a fresh pink tone. 3. Apple. 1 medium, red or green. Apples boost collagen production and reduce wrinkles. 4. Lemon. Half. Packed with vitamin C, lemon tightens your skin and clears blemishes. 5. Ginger. 1-inch piece. Ginger fights inflammation and boosts digestion. Great for your skin and overall health. Optional. A few mint leaves for taste and freshness. Step 1. Wash all ingredients thoroughly. Step 2. Chop carrots, beets, apple, and ginger into small pieces. Step 3. Add them to your blender. Pour in half a cup of water. Step 4. Blend until smooth. Step 5. Strain the juice if needed. Add the lemon juice. Mix well. Step 6. Pour it into a glass. And it's ready. Drink this juice every morning for 15 days. You'll notice brighter skin, more energy, reduced wrinkles, a natural glow, and even better digestion. Remember, beauty isn't about expensive products. It's about what you feed your body. Start with this juice. Take care of yourself. Glow naturally. You're only 15 days away from looking 18. If you try this, let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next video.